Hi students, today we'll discuss about the different clauses in SQL. In previous videos, I provided that what is SQL and what type of language comes under the SQL like DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. And here one thing we will discuss is how to restrict the result of a DML statement. In DML statements, what we do? We do one, the query statement, that is the select keyword you use to retrieve some of the data from the table, or you can say from the database. And whenever you retrieve some data from the database, if you don't use the where clause, that query will show the entire result, the entire data of the table. Suppose you write here select star from EMP. Our intention is to retrieve the data from the EMP table. That's why we write this query select star from EMP. And this query will show you, this query displays the entire data. We can retrieve the entire data from the table. But here our intention is to restrict some results at the time of retrieving the data. We restrict the results using the where clause. Using where clause, where condition. The select star from EMP where condition. It means that we implement a condition here. We apply a condition here. And according to that condition, we can restrict, we can filter the results of that query, of this select query. Our today's topic is exactly on where clause. Today's topic, that is where clause. Where clause. We will discuss about it. Where clause. Why we use the where clause and how we can use the where clause and what type of benefit we can get using that where clause. Where clause is used to implement one condition at the time of retrieving the data from the database. Syntax is select column name 1, column name 2, name 2, from table name where condition. Here we use the where condition in select statement. Not only select statement, you can use the where clause at any DML statement. Any DML statement, that may be update, delete or select. You can use the where clause in case of update statement, delete statement and select statement. Any type of DML operation when you perform, your intention, if your intention is to restrict some results, if your intention is to filter some results, then you can use this where clause. And simultaneously you have to mention the condition, on which basis, on which condition we can retrieve data. We go through some examples. Look at this table. This table is the EMP table, and there are some attributes here, that the EMP ID, name, age and salary. In EMP ID, there are some values, that is the field value you can say 101, 102, 103, 104 and 104. This is the employee ID. And Robin, Hare Krishna, Avinash, Pramila and Kabir are the name of the employee. Age as mentioned here and salary. In this column you can say some salaries. Here our intention to retrieve the data from the EMP table. In first case, I will not use the where class. Then what will be the result? We select star from EMP. That's all. If I write this query, select star from EMP, then result will be this one. The entire table will be fetched out from the database. You can retrieve all the records. You can retrieve all the data from the database. There is no restriction, no filtration you can do here. But if you use the where clause here, so where I can mention as greater than 30. And what will happen? Result will like this. This is the result. EMP ID, name, age and salary. Result greater than 30. Which one? The 35 and 32. These two rows only will be fetched out. Only two rows will be fetched out on the table. That's 101 and 32, 103. Name is Rabi and Abhijit and age is 35 and 32. Salary accordingly 55,000 and 25,000. Look at. If you mention here where clause and age greater than 30, then result is squeezed. Result, you can filter the result. We can restrict. We can retrieve the result as per our requirement, as per our demand, as per our requirement, as per the need of the user. The user can retrieve the data from the database using where clause. This one. And here we use one type of operator, that is comparison operator. We will discuss about later. So where clause you can use some logical operators like and, or, and not. Some logical operator and, or. This is the logical operator we can use in where clause. When we can use the AND operator and when we can use the OR operator, now I am going to discuss about. AND operator we can use in where clause when entire or all conditions will be true. And OR operator is used, or we can use the OR operator when any of the condition will be true. Suppose there are two conditions. Select star. Now select column name from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 2. This is the syntax of using AND operator. So in this way, this is the syntax. As per that syntax, you can use the AND operator. Select column name from table name where condition 1 and condition 2. If two conditions will true. If two condition comes true, then we can then the query will be uh, phased out from the table, or you can say the query can give some results. If condition 1 and condition 2 is true, then this query can give you some results or not. But in case of OR, what happens? The select column name from table name where condition 1 or condition 2. In this case, when you use the OR logical operator in case of where clause, this query will display some results if any one of the condition comes true. If any one of the condition, single condition, this condition is, if condition 1 is true, then this query give you some result. If condition 2 is true, then this query can be provide some results. So either condition 1 or condition 2. But here both condition 1 and condition 2 have to be true if this query is capable to give some results. So in this case, both conditions should be satisfied, but in this case, either this condition or that condition should be satisfied. This is the main difference between and OR operator. Another operator is there. Some comparison operator we can use when you use the where clause. But most of the examples I use the select. But keep your mind, you can use the where clause in update statement, in delete statement, in select statement also. But most of the examples I use the select statement. Now my focus is on comparison operator. Comparison operator. From arithmetic point of view, there are some comparison operator. You already know that greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. In computer language, we can use the not equal to symbol like this, or not equal to can be signed it like this symbol. You can use this symbol for not equal to, or this symbol is also can be used for not equal to. Okay? So these are some logical operators you can use. Suppose your intention is to retrieve the value of, retrieve the records of a Hare Krishna. Suppose your intention is to retrieve the records from the tables whose name is Hare Krishna and employee ID is 1 not 2. Then how can you write this? The select star from EMP where EMP ID equal to 1 not 2. You mention here like this EMP ID. EMP ID and this is EMP. Select star from EMP where EMP ID equal to 1 not 2. So you can retrieve some data. Your intention is to retrieve the records of an employee whose employee ID is 102. So you have to write this queries like this using the comparison operator equal to. Similarly, you can use the greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to also you can use. So you have to follow this syntax. Select column name from EMP where column name and comparison operator and value. This is the comparison operator you can also use in where clause. And some operators, other operators like in and not in, can be used in where clause. I will show you. In select column 1, column 2 from table name where column name in value 1, value 2, but value 3, Look at the syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where column name in V1, V2, V3. Look at this example. Select star. Star stands for all row and all column. Select star from EMP. Our table name is EMP. Where age or salary in 25,000, 30,000, and 55,000. Select star from EMP where salary in 25,000, 30,000 and 55,000. So look at this figure. Here 55,000, 25,000 and 30,000. So here our intention is to retrieve all records and all columns. Means our intention is to retrieve such records whose value matches the value mentioned in the list, in the in keyword. In keyword, some values I mentioned here: 25,000, 30,000 and 55,000. Our intention is to retrieve the records whose value, salary value, matches the list inside this in keyword. So what will be the result? The result will be 101 Robin 35, 55,000. 103 Abhinas 32, 25,000. And 104 Ramira 28, 30,000. This result will be displayed if you use the in operator. But if you use the not in operator, suppose you use here salary not in. It means that this query will display the results excluding these values. Means this query display the results or retrieve the rows whose value mismatched with this list of values which are mentioned inside the not in keyword. So excluding 25,000 and 30,000 and 50,000, remaining part is 32,000, 23,000. Then these records and these records will be fetched out from the table using this query. This is the role of not in and in operator. Further, we will discuss about some other classes like heading class, order by class, group by class. Some other classes are also used in SQL. In next video, I will discuss it. Goodbye. Thank you.